right, this is Jason from Retire to Fish. Today it's too hot to fish. I got out a little late, so what I did is I was cleaning up my car a little bit. And I'm just gonna make a quick video of my car. It's one of my toys that I enjoy when I'm not fishing, so here we go. All right, let's crank her up. All right, she's pretty much put back all original. We have the Marti Report. It is a 1967 Mustang GT Fastback, true S code. Let me see if I've got my Marti Report. I'll have to find that and show it a little later, I guess, or we'll look at it. Let's walk around, do a walk around. It's got the Deluxe Interior package. This is a true S code per Marti Report. It's put back together exactly as it came off the assembly line. I have no clue why the camera was stretching the car at times, so my apologies for the distorted view. Here, I'll shut this just so we can show the lines. All the doors close really nice. If I can do this while holding this. Alright. Pretty clean everywhere on it. See if I can show underneath the car too. Okay, on the inside, original badge. All right, let's take a look. Got the center console, the above console. Seats are not original. We got the seat laid down. Let's see if we can put it back up real quick. Ah, there's the Marti. It's been sitting down for a little while. Let's look at the Marti Report real quick. It's got the door data plate, the optional items. What year is this? 67.
67.
Just doing a little video, just
let me get in your way.
No, y'all are good. Y'all are good. Okay, we had a couple of guys that wanted to talk about the car a little bit, so I had to cut you short. Sorry about that. So we're back here. Just want to go one quick round, and then that's it. I just wanted to put it out there. Thank you. I'll tell you what, it's hot. It's hot here in Florida. Only thing I wish I had in here is an air conditioner, but you know what? It's still cool. Still super cool. There's the tree of life, as they call it. Let me downshift. We're home. Thanks for riding along with me. We're gonna get out of this hot car and then go to lunch. Maybe even take this to lunch. All right. I was filming you, yes.
This is too close up.